Now that we are in 2020, it seems to be the year where a lot is going on in the camera industry, and I am here today to make my 2020 predictions for Canon. Stay tuned. My first quick prediction for Canon is that they will announce and release a replacement for the 5D Mark IV or 5D Mark V in a mirrorless form. So like I said, they're going to come out with a mirrorless camera that is going to take over the reins of their 5D Mark lineup. Now you can almost say that the cameras they came out with previously did that, but let's be real, with one card slot alone, it's not even up for debate. My next prediction is once the 1DX Mark III sells and everybody's happy and they're done with the big hype and big launch behind it, they're going to just announce in 2020 the mirrorless version of that particular camera. They are sitting on, you got to think about it, mirrorless popped up, they decided to get in the game. They've probably done 5 to 6 years of market research with the 1DX Mark III. They want to recoup that money, so they still release a DSLR to do that. And now, because if you look at the specs of the 1DX Mark III, it has pretty much 90% mirrorless specs. I think once the hype go, they release or at least announce a mirrorless version of this camera. And last but not least prediction is a C100 Mark III. Now people are like, well, we got the C200, but they don't have something that is in that $4,000 price range unless you go 1DX, and they really want that for photographers. I think with the C100 Mark III, you're gonna get somewhere around 4.6K to maybe 5.6K, and you'll also get a refresh of the C200, or at least announcement of the C200, which will probably start to push 6K with the next version of the C200 Mark II. Now, the reason they can for a short time give you 4.6K from a C100 Mark III over the C200 is because I don't think it's going to come with RAW, or I don't think it's going to come with a variation of RAW that competes with the quality of the C200. Canon is notorious for giving you a little bit, but we're not going to fully overstep what you can get from the C200. Plus, when you think about it, the 1DX Mark III, it offers RAW at what, 5.3K, 5K with a full frame sensor. So that's already stepping over the C200 in my opinion. I would personally take a 1DX Mark III over a C200, but that's me. All right, guys, if you learned anything from this video, I'm going to ask that you hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and when you're ready to take your hobby to your hustle, make sure you go check out our free courses at flashfilmacademy.com, and I will see you guys in the next video.